Hello everybody, today I'm going to unbox iPhone 12 Pro Max 256. This one is gold. There's gold over here, gold over here. This one is AT&T, so it comes in a box like this. Comes some papers, this order details. So this is 1200 plus tax. Okay, so let's open it. This is the phone. This is very light gold. It's darker on the side. This is more or less color of real gold over here on the side. Plastic like this. Cable only, USB-C to Lightning, manual, SIM tool, sticker. That's the phone. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.